Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Comrades. Let me give you a quick introduction. What is Permanent Commission and what is Short Service Commission? In Permanent Commission, you can serve in Indian Army until your retirement age. In Short Service Commission, you can serve in Indian Army up to 10 years from your joining. After 10 years, you'll have three options. You can either opt out or extend your period for 4 more years, and you can also resign in the middle of the 4 years. TES, Technical Entry Scheme. Engineering branch or technical branch candidates can apply through TES exam, which is conducted twice a year. You'll have to undergo 5-year course, which includes 1 year at IMA and 4 years at Cadet Training Wings. Educational qualification and eligibility criteria. Minimum 70% aggregate in 10+2 with subjects Maths and Physics. Only unmarried male candidates in the age limit 16.5 to 19.5 years are eligible. UES, University Entry Scheme. Only engineering students can apply in their pre-final year or final year of engineering. After completing the selection process, you'll have to undergo 1-year course in Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. Educational qualification and eligibility criteria. BE or BTech graduates are eligible to apply. Unmarried male candidates are only eligible. Pre-final year candidates of age 18 to 24 years and final year candidates of age 19 to 25 years are eligible. TGC, Technical Graduation Course. Only BE or BTech students can join in Army through TGC for Permanent Commission. This exam is conducted twice a year during May or June and November or December. Educational qualification and eligibility criteria. BTech final year and persuading final year candidates are eligible. Married or unmarried candidates of age 20 to 27 years are also eligible to apply. You'll have to undergo 1-year training in Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. Army Educational Corps. Male and female candidates who have pursued MA or MSc with age limit 23 to 27 years are eligible to join. There is only Short Service Commission for women in Indian Army. SSC Tech entry for men and women. This is similar to TGC entry, but the only difference is that in this there is only short service commission. Exam is conducted twice a year in June or July and December or January. To apply, you can visit official Indian Army website joinindianarmy.nic.in. Educational qualification and eligibility criteria. Married and unmarried male candidates with technical degree or graduation of PG are eligible with age limit 20 to 27 years. Unmarried female candidates who are engineering graduates are also eligible. NCC Special Entry. Only NCC cadets with C certificate in Army Wing with a minimum of B grade are eligible. Male and female NCC cadets with age limit 19 to 25 years can apply. These are shortlisted and called for SSP following with medical test. You'll have to undergo 49 weeks of training in Officers Training Academy, Chennai. Judge Advocate General Entry. Male and female candidates who are law graduates can apply for JAG entry. They can be unmarried or married. You'll have to undergo 49 weeks of training in Officers Training Academy, Chennai. Educational qualification and eligibility criteria. Candidates who have pursued LLB degree with minimum of 55% registered with Bar Council of India or state are eligible with an age limit 21 to 27 years. ACC Army Cadet College. This is a service entry. Only Army cadets can apply for this type of entry. Who have a minimum of 2 years of service in the Indian Army can apply for regular commission. Exam is conducted twice a year in March and August. You'll have to undergo 4 years of course, which includes 3 years of training in Army Cadet College wings and 1 year in Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. Educational qualification and eligibility criteria. Candidates should have completed their 10+2 and have completed 2 years of service in the Indian Army. The age limit is 20 to 27 years. SCO Special Commissioned Officer. This is also a service entry like ACC. JCOs and NCOs and other ranked officers can apply for regular commission. Exam is conducted twice a year. Educational qualification and eligibility criteria. Pursued 10+2 and have 5 years of service in the Indian Army with the age limit 28 to 35 years are eligible. PCSC Permanent Commission Specialist. This is also a service entry. Junior commissioned officers and non-commissioned officers and other ranked soldiers can apply for PCSC. Male soldiers who have completed their 10+2 and have done 10 years of service in the Indian Army are eligible for applying for a regular commission. PCSC exam is conducted twice a year in April and July. Territorial Army, also known as Temporary Army Service. This is a limited time service, mostly used in emergency situations as backup army. To apply, visit the official website of Indian Army, joinindianarmy.nic.in. Educational qualification and eligibility criteria. Only male Indian citizens who have graduated and age limit from 18 to 42 years are eligible. You can see different modes of entries in Indian Army differentiated under Permanent Commission and Short Service Commission. National Defence Academy entries, Combined Defence Service examinations for men, Technical entry for men, Technical graduate entry for men comes under Permanent Commission. In Permanent Commission, you'll have pension scheme after your retirement. SSC Tech entry for men and women. NCC Special entries, JAG entries comes under Short Service Commission. In Short Service Commission, there is no pension scheme. RRT, Recruitment of Not just a family prays for you, but a country with 1.3 billion families wishes you to come home safe. For any queries, please comment below. If you have liked the video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends.